much personal space invasion. Right, this is good. Right, 1, 2, 3. G'day everyone, it's Rob from SurfSide Motorcycle Garage. I'm not at the shop in Brookie today. In fact, I'm down in Adelaide. I'm at Retro Motorcycles catching up with my mate Dion. G'day mate.
How are you?
Good to catch up with you.
Yeah.
Dion's the proprietor of Retro Motorcycles down in Adelaide, so a bit like Surfside, we do classic stuff, the old English, the old Jap. Looking around I can see a GT750, an old 70s Honda, a Goldwing, a couple of Trumpies, a couple of two-stroke triples behind us, monkey bikes. Looks like you might have the classic scene pretty well sewn up here.
Pretty much. Keep getting told by all the customers that they're happy to come here and they really don't have much other alternative or where to go.
Yeah. The thing that blew me away is you've got an XS750, like a really mint one just in the door there. It looks like it's been in a museum.
Yeah, here I've got a lot of customers that do like their genuine items, and if they break an indicator or damage an exhaust, I'm on the hunt.
Yeah. Well, the other thing is there's not that many shops that really know carbies and points anymore, are there?
No, there's not. No, it's a dying breed. It's all computerized now.
Yeah. And we're not going to tell them, so they keep coming to us.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah. The other thing we're doing is we've both become Ural dealers.
Yes.
You know, we kind of like a bit of the quirky offbeat stuff, obviously, because we're dealing with Urals, but having said that, they're pretty good things. How are you going with it?
I'm really enjoying it. I'm loving the customers that are coming in the door and just riding them. I love it.
Yeah. We're finding the people, you know, you might not get 100 people in every week, but the ones that come in really understand the brand, really understand the bike, and they want one. You know, like people, you don't have to sell them, people know what they want.
Yep, definitely, definitely.
Yeah, the other thing I found too is like we've been servicing, you know, Changjings, Urals for the last 10, 15 years because we do a bit of sidecar stuff. And the thing that we really got us excited was just the step up in build quality on the new Urals. I mean, they are just like a completely new bike, you know. Bosch fuel injection, Brembo brakes, power offlets, LED headlights. Yeah.
And the other thing is they're very stable on the road compared to some of the sidecars that I actually play with, because I do other brands as well. But yeah, you just jump on and ride things. You don't have to weight them, nothing.
No, I mean, I'm a sidecar virgin, but I'm learning to ride one at the moment. And you know, once you get used to the going left, it starts to become, you think, yeah, I can actually punt this a bit. It's good fun.
It's definitely an art.
It is. Hey, well, the other thing is, guys, if you've got a Ural and you're doing a lap of Australia, Sydney, come and see Surfside. If you're down in Adelaide, come and see Retro. We're sort of here, we know the machines, we're ready to help you. And the dealer network is a really good thing. You know, like I say, we're all kind of independent workshops. We all are doing this thing because we love the brand. And we hope to catch up with you.
Excellent.
Yeah, mate, good to see you.
You too.
Alrighty.
Thank you.
Cheers, everyone. See ya.
See you guys.